Hello everyone, it's Madi
Madison from Spectrum Art.
Welcome back. Kind of a clean table because I've got a surprise for you guys and didn't want to give it away in the preview. We got Rosie Posey's kit.
Kits.
Yes, from Rosie's Crafty Shack.
Sorry, bundles.
No, it was a kit. And it was the oversized, the jumbo tag kit. And that was the kit, I want to say, for March. Yes, I'm pretty sure it was March of 2019. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Rosie and her kits, I will be sure to put a link down to her channel below. And I wanted to show you guys what I did. Now, just a little bit of an explanation in the kit that you get. And you know what, actually, I think ABRIL Martinez Crafter in the Rough had done a showing of what the kit actually looks like, what comes in the kit. So I will link that below too if you want to see the actual pieces and how it all comes packaged and all that good stuff. I'll do all that. But it comes with fabrics, it comes with all kinds of goodies. This one came with papers. Anyway, really beautiful stuff for you to go ahead and put the kit together. Now, of course, Madi and Madison, the M&M team being what we are, we kind of see things a little bit differently. And we did use her stuff, and I'll show you actually what I have left first. This is what I have left of all the fabrics and trims that actually came in the kit. Right here. I am saving these little pieces, believe it or not, because look how yummy and pretty they are. So I'm going to save those. And that's it for the bling, guys. So,
Rosie does beautiful fabric bundles.
She does. She does all kinds of beautiful kits and bundles and stuff. So, okay, that's it, guys. And as far as paper is concerned, there was a lot of paper included in this kit. And I have that one left because I had to save it. I could have used it, but it's so pretty and yummy. I am saving it. I might even photocopy it. I'll have to ask Rosie if that's okay. And then a few book pages because I did use some. That's it. This is all that's left, guys. And if you see how much comes in this kit, you'll understand how much of it I've used. But you're going to be shocked at how much I actually got out of this. So, let me go ahead and show you first the tags that we made. So with the papers that were included, we went ahead and made quite a few pieces. This is the largest of the tags, not the tag that comes with the kit, but the largest of the tags that we made. And it includes a beautiful cluster. Oh, let me raise that light. Make sure you guys can see it. It's got a really nice cluster. It's got a fabric pocket, and you see some of those book pages being used back there. And then, of course, it also has this other big pocket. I should just pull them both. So it's got a fabric pocket here, and then another back pocket in the back, which was where this bigger piece was in. And then it opens this way, and I've made it so it can actually be journaled on. And then the back. And this is one of the papers that Rosie actually created herself. So this is her own paper, which she included in the kit. So that was number one, right? Then we went ahead and use the next sheet of paper, and again, these are all pages created by her, and we made these two beauties. And again, this is all her lace, this is all her paper, these are her images. The only thing I added were these two little, you know, inserts in here, and then of course like a little bit of ribbon and whatnot, but all this is hers down to the button. And what these two are, isn't that paper beautiful? Look, she made that. What these are actually, and I'm not going to open all of them, but I'll open one just to show you. These are actual hidden pocket tags. So you have an actual pocket in here with a, oh, if I can, my fingers are all destroyed. My nails are destroyed from using the Fabri-Tac. That stuff eats right through your fingernail polish. But it's got a tag in there, and I used Prima paper for that. So that slides in there, and then you can close it off with this, and then of course, attach it to a gift or insert a gift card or a note. And then this was the second one. Again, it's got this pocket right here. It's got this beautiful image, and this paper also was from Rosie. The pearls are amazing. That was also from the kit. So was this, and so was this. And there you go. And this is also one of those hidden pocket tags. Then with the next paper, which, no, I'm going to save that one for last because it's Madison's favorite. So here's this one. This one was this paper. How beautiful is that? I mean, guys, look at that. And this gorgeous trim and this flower and this applique. And we made this tag. And again, that's one of those hidden ones. Then from the other half of that paper, and by the way, she sent some really nice cardstock. I mean, this is heavy paper, which I really appreciated because it just lends itself to, look at that, make these gorgeous tags. And look at this dangle trim. Isn't that gorgeous? So was this and this, all included in the kit. This paper back here is also hers. So the only thing that didn't come was these two things that I inserted in there. Okay, and that's also one of those hidden ones. This one is Madison's favorite. Why? Because it's all about the Paris. So,
Rosie loves Paris.
Yeah, so you see here, it says Paris on it. And then it's got some beautiful, she made all this paper, guys. And then this one's got a pocket here with this paper that is also hers. This lace, this trim, this flower, all of that came in the kit. And then this one opens this way. And this one is also a tag card as well. It opens this way. And there's that back. Look at the Eiffel Tower. Gorgeous. This trim came with that as well. And these are actually the leftover pieces of what I had after I had done the real big tag, the one that came in the kit. So I'm saving that for last. And then right here, Paris again, and just beautiful, gorgeous paper. So this is what I added just from our stuff. Just some paper to make this deliciousness. Okay, so all of these, so we've got a humongous tag right here, right? With a double pocket and the beautiful lace and the book pages and all that bling and all that. These two, and these two. All of that is actually, guys, what was left over after we did our large tag. Believe it or not, that's how much stuff there was in there. And here is what I've created using her actual jumbo tag, which was this chipboard tag. It is a very, what do we want to say? It reminds me of like a grandma's, vintage. Yeah, very vintage. It reminds me of a grandma's cupboard almost. But you'll see throughout a lot of the pieces, oh, there's a glue string still on there, or fabric tag.
It reminds me?
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of grandma's cupboards.
Right? It just reminds you of that vintage old cupboard full of just yumminess and memories. And this is actually her lace back here. We have the button from her kit. We have the image from her kit. We have the paper clip from her kit. We have the flat back from her kit. No. We have the trim here. We have this trim as well, this lace. We have this beautiful trim. You remember that one from the other ones. This beautiful ticket also from her kit. The clothing pin was from her kit as well. So was this ribbon. So was the paper included in the bottle, the glass bottle. Then this trim was also in there, this lace. This image was also part of the kit. So were these tickets, the flower, the button. So we use a whole bunch of different stuff on here, guys, and still had all of this left over after creating all of that. So imagine all of this plus this actually came out of one kit. But we wanted to share with you our take on it. It's not so shabby chic. It's more of that vintage, you know, Tim Holtz kind of look, including with a picket or wooden picket fence. We hope you like it. We hope you've enjoyed it. We hope that it gives you some inspiration. I will do some...
We'll put the channels down below.
Yes, we'll put the channels down below. And it gives you a different take, right? On all the wonderful yummies and goodies that you can make from the kits and still have more stuff to play with. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.